Hello, my name is Rayyan Hasan. This is my video demonstration for my minor project. For CLO1, I verified the moisture to pumping process worked by setting the end parameters of the moisture sensor to the extremities, where very dry would be nothing touching the sensor at all, and very wet would be if the sensor was completely submerged in water. These values would then be outputted to the console in Java. For CLO2, for Mod4j was appropriate because it allowed the Arduino board to run the code written in Java, and Princeton standard library was appropriate because it allowed me to easily generate a graph based on the values calculated from the sensor. For CLO3, I created two array lists, where the first one would be the Y value semi-graph, which is the voltage values collected from the sensor, and the second array list would be the duration the program ran in seconds, and that would be the X values. For CLO4, I created a state machine which would get the analog input of the moisture sensor and convert that into a voltage, which would then be analyzed to see if the voltage was less than 5, water would be dispensed, and if the voltage was greater than 5, the water dispensation would stop. For CLO5, I used object-oriented concepts such as initializing the different components of the program, which would be the objects, and I'd utilize them to obtain voltage readings to be plotted onto a graph to understand how voltage would change based on the moisture levels of the soil. Now, when I go to run the program, you can see that nothing is touching it, so it's completely dry. So you'll see that it's dry, so water is going in. Then when I put it here, still pumping water. And then once you see it stopped because the moisture level reached, and now I'm going to stop the program by pressing this button, and you can see the pump has stopped right here, and a graph has been plotted. Thank you.